The clouds are rolling in, my friends, as gray as old ships roll. But every drop that hits the earth is filled with song and hope. For the rain keeps all the fields alive, the barrels full of brew. And there's no finer sound, I swear, than a tavern roof struck true. So let it rain, let it drum, let it play its steady tune, a rhythm for the revelers from afternoon to moon. We'll toast the stormy heavens with a cheer that never fades. Raise your cups, my merry friends, hurrah for rainy days. The travelers come drenched inside with stories soaked and wild, and every tale grows taller once the fire's cracking mild. With puddles on the floorboards and the mist across the pane, we gather round and clap in time to the merry song of rain. So let it rain, let it drum, let it play its steady tune, a rhythm for the revelers from afternoon to moon. We'll toast the stormy heavens with a cheer that never fades. Raise your cups, my merry